The Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper Model 7073D offers exceptional versatility and efficiency, designed to handle a variety of tasks, including slicing, shredding, mincing, and pureeing. One of its standout features is the built-in bowl scraper, which allows users to process ingredients without needing to stop and manually scrape down the bowl. This feature saves time and ensures a more consistent texture, as the scraper can be activated while the processor is running or powered off. Equipped with two versatile attachments, this food processor enables users to switch between a stainless steel slicing shredding disc and a chopping pureeing blade, covering a broad spectrum of culinary tasks. Its powerful 450-watt motor is robust enough to tackle even tough ingredients, making it an excellent choice for those who enjoy making homemade salads, sauces, and even acai bowls. With two speed settings plus a pulse function, users gain precise control over the texture and consistency of their food, from gentle mixing for delicate ingredients to high-speed power for hard vegetables. This food processor also boasts a generous 10-cup capacity, ideal for preparing large batches without needing multiple rounds. The wide feed chute reduces the need to pre-cut ingredients, making food prep faster and more convenient. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup, and the materials in all food zones are BPA-free, offering peace of mind for health-conscious users. Customer reviews highlight its reliability, ease of use, and strong performance. Many find the easy-to-clean design and user-friendly features a significant time saver. Several users have noted that the bowl scraper feature is a game-changer for recipes that require frequent scraping, such as hummus and creamy dips. Overall, this processor combines power, versatility, and thoughtful design, making it a valuable tool for any kitchen. Thanks for watching this review. As you saw on the thumbnail, the product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded it. However, discounts can change quickly, so make sure to check the description below for the latest offers and deals. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to upgrade my kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.